Deanna, tell us one super tip on getting started investing in real estate.
Okay. I think the very first tip is to look at where you are spending your money and categorize the priorities of what that money is actually getting you. Because investing is about understanding that long game of what it's going to get you. And the best way to be able to say no to things you don't want to spend money on anymore so that you can invest that money is to look at where you're spending your money and become really attuned with what it's actually getting you, either positive or negatively. And it helps you then pool together the money that's easier to say no. So you can invest that, which is easier than the next step, which is actually finding out how to make more money.
So,
Deal with what you got. Deal
right?
with what you got first.